Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me for the bad lighting. So if you guys can't see, comment down below. I'm gonna go check on you guys. See if you can see. So yeah, you guys can see. So my cousins are here with me.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're gonna hear lots of noises, and I'm gonna do.
Yeah, because this is a big
I'm gonna
house.
be doing a slime
And a jacuzzi.
video, and
Jacuzzi.
my cousin is gonna be here. And
Jacuzzi.
he's at the corner. You can't see him.
Hola.
He's right there. You guys couldn't see him.
Hola.
Could see him.
Hi.
So there's a crazy thing going on here.
Yeah.
So don't mind none of this crazy stuff. So
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Comment down below about
I'm gonna go get the slime.
Don't worry.
She's gonna be right back.
Well, we
with the
entertain
slime.
you guys.
Yeah, one.
Victoria.
Hey,
You get
hogging the camera. Okay, everybody get off of the chair
And
and get that thing out of the way. Here's the slime. You're not gonna take it. Where's Patty? You touched it.
Give us a piece of slime.
Wait, it's sticky.
Wow, thanks a lot.
Whoa, look.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I didn't even harder. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it, Victoria.
Let's touch it.
Okay, so the chaos
Look,
is real.
it's not sticky. The chaos
It
is
is. Stop.
Give me a
Okay,
piece.
no. So
Sticky.
the cousins are a little crazy. All my little sisters
Hey,
here. with
we're
my
not
cousins.
KK.
And
Victoria.
excuse me for all of the noise. This is gonna be a crazy video of my cousins. This is why I never do a video of my cousins, because of this. And if one of you gets slime somewhere around your body, I ain't gonna take the blame. You guys are gonna blame on yourself. Because I told you not to touch and you're touching it. So, the satisfying is starting to begin. Karina Garcia in the house.
What?
You see,
This is the slime.
Stop. This is why I never do videos of him. Only once in my whole entire life.
Yeah, like you didn't post it.
Yeah, once I did it, and I never posted it because it was super loud.
Yeah. And long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Time to get in the slime. So, everybody, I need to be quiet.
Can somebody push this?
Wow.
I got off the wrapping.
You guys cannot hear. Pretend you don't hear that, guys. Sorry if you guys cannot even hear the poking sounds.
No, it's because she's trying to get this in my mouth.
Cállense.
Victoria.
Cállate. Okay? You guys cannot hear at all, so I'm going to wait for my cousins and my little sister to be quiet. Okay? Yeah, and this used to be super, super stiff. Stiff.
Stiff, I mean.
And you could not even stretch it, but I fixed it.
Yeah.
I fix everything. Karina Garcia in the house.
She's the goodest.
So yeah. And I'm in my sister's room because my room is super sticky. Yeah, that's why. I'm not even looking at the camera. Wow. Yeah. I just did a slime video because, I don't know, I didn't have anything to do. I just wanted to do a video with my cousins.
Yeah, I gave her the idea so we can do this. She got the idea in her head.
Okay, so now everybody has to be super quiet.
I finished it.
Shh. So So yeah, that was it for the slime poking. And I did a very short video. So bye.
She is the best. Bye-bye.
Bye. And I just did this video because I wanted to with my cousin. So
Bye.
bye.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Subscribe. Yeah, like,
subscribe.
Leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah. Give this video.